Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use compass backtrack on your Apple Watch. Really simple and easy, so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is locate this button right here. You're going to press and hold onto it. So instead of just pressing, you just press and hold. And when you do that, about after a few seconds, a menu like this will pop up. And this is where you'll see the compass backtrack. So let's go ahead and slide it over to use it. So as you can see here, it basically will record your path to help you retrace it if you get lost. But the key thing is you need to record the path. So if you want to start using it, you just record. And after that, you can go ahead and use the crown basically to do different elevation and different things like this and move it around and then walk around. And this is going to be basically tracking you. And then if you tap on this again, you can go ahead and retrace path whenever you're ready. So if you want it to go back, you can just tap on it and it will give you the retrace, basically the way to get back. And in order to turn it off, you just delete the path. And that's going to go ahead and turn it off. And then you can go back to the normal mode, just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.